So for all over the country, wherever the housing projects are stuck because they are not complete, can now seek relief so long as they are not an NPA and not in the NCLT. So such middle income projects and also such affordable housing projects which are almost complete but are waiting for the last mile cash infusion shall benefit from this special window that we've created with a core of 10,000 crores of rupees. As I said, government is not going to operate it, but certainly will bring in professionals who will run this. And we expect, therefore, unfinished units will get completed. Government of India, on the lines of NIIF, the National Infrastructure Investment Fund, can contribute to the fund, while rest of the investors would be like LIC, other institutions and private capital from banks, sovereign funds and DFIs and so on. The fund shall be set up as a Category 2 AIF, Alternative Investment Fund Trust, and would be professionally run with experts from housing and banking sector. There shall be a relaxation of the ECB, the External Commercial Borrowing Guidelines for affordable housing. So ECB guidelines will be relaxed to facilitate financing of home buyers who are eligible under the PMAY in consultation with RBI. So this is in addition to the existing norms for ECB for affordable housing. So external commercial borrowing guidelines are being relaxed. The next is house building advance. The interest rate on house building advance shall be lowered and linked with the 10-year GSEC yields. So this will particularly benefit government servants who contribute to a major component of demand for houses. This will encourage more government servants to buy new houses. The scheme for remission of duties on taxes on export products will replace MEIS. Now, I'd like to draw your attention that the name alone has not changed. It is not ROSCTL, it is not ROSL, it is remission of duties, RODTEP, remission of duties or taxes on export products. This is a new scheme which is coming, and it shall completely replace MEIS. Completely replace MEIS not just for textiles but for all goods and services for which the goods particularly for which the coverage was given both by the Textile Ministry and the Commerce Ministry. The existing dispensation in textiles, which is MEIS plus old ROSL, will continue up to December 31st, 2019. In effect, the RODTEP, the new scheme which comes into effect from 1st January 2020 for textiles and for all other commerce-related products, will more than adequately incentivize exporters than the existing schemes all put together. Revenue foregone projected is up to 50,000 crores. Norms for export credit. These have been examined and enabling guidelines are under consideration with the RBI. We have had extensive discussion with the Reserve Bank of India on this, and they are on board. I am sure sooner they will also be able to release the necessary notification for this. This will release an additional 36,000 crores to up to 68,000 crores as export credit under priority sector, because banks use this in their basket of lending portfolios. When the priority sector lending category comes with this additional infusion, priority sector lending for export credit will increase, and this will give greater impetus for export sector. the Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, the ECGC, will expand the scope of ECIS and will offer higher insurance cover. Premium incidence for MSME will be moderated suitably, which is when MSME pay their premium towards guarantee that they receive from the ECGC, the premium that they pay will now be far lesser than what they had paid earlier. It is expected that the initiative will cost about 1,700 crores per annum for the government, but that will be the kind of support we are extending for the ECGC to offer that kind of guarantee for exporters. The credit insurance scheme, export credit insurance scheme, will benefit because of this extension of 1,700 crore per annum from the government for the promotion of credit guarantee by the ECGC. So this will enable reduction in the overall cost of export credit, including interest rates, especially to the MSMEs.